Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you tips how to use Mac Independent. If you have two parts and want to edit this part without changing another part, you can use Mac Independent like this. In this case, I have two fingers and I want to edit this finger without changing this finger. Right click this finger, click Mac Independent, click OK, and change file name is finger 1. Click save. Just close the original document. Now we edit this finger. Go to this face. Feature, activate shortcut, and click OK. Now go back to assembly, save. See? See? Now the finger not look the same. Now you know how to use Mac Independent. That is quick tips. See ya!